Hello, welcome to this update. This is a quick update for parts of Western Asia because of the winter weather systems there. We might make a video for Eastern Asia in the coming days, but let's see how this system will keep affecting Turkey and Georgia there and parts of northern Iran and some areas. So there's still a lot of heavy rain in the Black Sea and Georgia, Azerbaijan in many areas. Especially Turkey shows in these next few days a lot of heavy snow parts of Turkey and Georgia. And this system continues there, that's Monday, tomorrow, and also progresses to the Caspian Sea with some rain and snow northern Iran, even Turkmenistan. And then let's see, next Tuesday, the 22nd, shows half of the system stays in like Turkey with more snow, Azerbaijan and Iran, and a part of the system goes to like Afghanistan and Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan with more snow there. So this will be Wednesdays, more rain and snow in Tajikistan, parts of western China, and even Afghanistan. This will be next Wednesday. Shows more snow in northern Iran there because the thing keeps progressing south from Turkey. And next Wednesday shows more heavy rain and snow in Iran, and shows all that big snow in Afghanistan, especially Tajikistan, western China, and northern Pakistan. Some more snow, and this is even showing some rain southern Iran and some storms near Saudi Arabia next Thursday, the 24th. And the Europeans actually turning this into a bigger system next Friday and affecting a lot of rain parts of central northeastern Iran next Friday with some storms too, and showing this going towards Afghanistan, Turkmenistan next Friday the 26th, and southern Uzbekistan, and yet again into Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan there with more rain and snow. So this will be like the general forecast for this week, but each model has a different, like the GFS has some rain in Kazakhstan now, that heavy rain in Georgia and Turkey and Azerbaijan, and it has like northern Iran did this next few days, Monday, Tuesday, some snow there and some rain, even northeasternmost Iraq and southeastern Turkey. So let's see, and there'll be that system crossing Tuesday, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, heading towards Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and actually that's Kyrgyzstan with some rain and snow there. On Wednesday, northern Afghanistan and western China, some snow too. On Wednesday the 24th shows a lot of rain and snow there around northern Afghanistan, northern Pakistan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan. Thursday, then it kind of continues until late on Thursday, and then it shows the system in Iran and the Black Sea until Friday, and then the GFS also shows this heading towards Turkmenistan and Afghanistan again, but not as strong as the European was showing. And both models are showing some systems progressing north from Saudi Arabia there. Next Friday, the GFS has that, and the European has this, has a big system near Saudi Arabia next Friday, the 25th. So we also monitor the progress of that. And the icon has like the system in the Black Sea there, and the Caspian Sea with more rain and snow, Azerbaijan, parts of Georgia and the Caucasus, southern Russia, especially in Turkey, eastern Turkey, northern Turkey, and southeastern Turkey, and Iran there, more heavy rain, some snow northern Iran. There's that rain on Tuesday in Uzbekistan and Turkmenistan and Kazakhstan. They'll head towards Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan. More rain and snow Wednesday in Tajikistan and Kyrgyzstan. Shows that heavy rain in the southern Caspian Sea and Iran on like Wednesday too. Some snow there in Iran, and then it continues, shows a lot of snow in Pakistan, northern Afghanistan, parts of Tajikistan, and western China, even northern Pakistan, and then it shows that system from Iran next Thursday into Afghanistan, more rain and snow in Afghanistan, and yeah, more rounds of rain there the next Friday, more snow in southern Tajikistan in the next Thursday and Friday. I think that's northern Pakistan and western China there. So yeah, a lot of systems this week there. The icon has also the system like has a lot of storms in Yemen next Thursday and Friday, and the system in Saudi Arabia there and Iraq and Kuwait next Saturday the 26th and next Friday. with some rain there, so be aware in those areas. There's here too, maybe let's put a different model. This is the Canadian model, shows there in Turkey, in that part of the screen, shows the snow there in Turkey, in the Caucasus, in Georgia, northern Iran, shows the heavy rain in the Black Sea on Tuesday, and more snow in Iran there Wednesday, and then it does have this kind of progressing next Thursday and Friday through Iran towards Afghanistan there. And then it has the system Saudi Arabia next Friday and Saturday. Might bring some more storms there. So they have to be aware in those areas. Here are the weather warnings for Turkey. This page is in the description. There's today, tomorrow. It's in Turkish, but it's better for the people that live there. So they have to be aware of those areas. There's the snowfall. The European first, so in the next day or so, the next 2 days, so today's like Sunday night, so let's put this until Monday night. Only the next day the European model shows more than 33 centimeters of snow, northern Turkey, parts of Georgia, so only the next day there'll be a lot of snow in Turkey, so be aware. This just from today tomorrow night to Monday night, some snow in Iran, and more in Azerbaijan there. So, and then let's see, if I put this until Wednesday, it shows a little bit more in Turkey, some areas, and especially in Iran more, shows more snow in Iran on Wednesday. If I put this until next Friday, already shows more snow northern Iran to eastern Iran there, even some foothills in central western Iran, but it will be heavier there northern Iran near the Caspian Sea. So they have to be aware. Shows until next Friday. More snow in the Caucasus, some parts of Georgia, Azerbaijan, and yeah, be aware. And then there in Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, still doesn't show anything, but Tuesday we start having some snow in Tajikistan there. And if I put this until next Thursday, already shows a lot of snow in parts of Tajikistan, 30 centimeters, Kyrgyzstan. Let's put this until the end. Until next Friday shows more than 40 centimeters in parts of Tajikistan. Northern Pakistan, Afghanistan will get some snow too. Afghanistan, Western China, so some portions of Western China, Southeastern Kazakhstan, along some portions there. And there will also be snow further north into Russia, northern China, and some areas there we might discuss better in the Eastern Asia video. So let's see. So be aware, there's like, wait, the GFS. The GFS also shows a lot of parts of Tajikistan, China, Afghanistan, and Kyrgyzstan, and it has a lot in northeastern, northwestern Iran too, even northernmost Iraq and parts of Turkey there. It has a lot, some in Armenia, some areas. The icon is a lot in Turkey there, more in Iran, but the icon's really kicking up in Tajikistan, especially the next Wednesday, the 23rd, more than 78 centimeters, has like more impact in northern Afghanistan, parts of northern Pakistan and China. So be aware, Kyrgyzstan shows some snow too from the systems, so they have to be careful. That's the snow, the rainfall accumulation from the European is just this like general precipitation, not just rainfall, but it shows northern Turkey 80 to 90 millimeters. Georgia, still some rain for northern Turkey. It shows a lot of rain in the southern Caspian Sea, more than 100 millimeters in Iran, so they have to be careful, some heavy rain there. Azerbaijan some, and it has the rain there. In Turkmenistan, southern Iran, it has that area of more, into Tajikistan, Afghanistan, and more rain there. The GFS is more northeastern Iran, showing a lot there, northeastern Turkey too, and into Turkmenistan, Tajikistan, and those areas. There's the icon here, shows a lot in Turkey, especially there in northern Iran and those areas. So they have to be careful. There might be a flood threat too, so be aware in those areas. There's like the wind gusts here, shows the European model. For Turkey, now it's not showing anything crazy, but shows maybe gusty in southern central Turkey, 50 km per gusts, but shows stronger in some specific areas. Hard to pinpoint the exact location of stronger winds, but like this is like early on Tuesday shows some stronger winds. Parts of central, northern Iran and near Afghanistan show like some stronger winds on Tuesday afternoon and morning, and then shows keeps going showing those stronger winds Tuesday afternoon in western Afghanistan and Iran, about a 40 km per gust in parts of Iran. Shows in Turkey there's still some 60 to 40 km per gust. On Tuesday, northern Afghanistan shows some higher gusts, and Tajikistan. And then we have the system Tajikistan on Wednesday, and those areas doesn't show anything crazy in terms of winds. Maybe a little bit windier in Kazakhstan and central Afghanistan, but it'll be actually in Iran, the worst winds, central Iran there. Wednesday into Thursday does show some stronger winds parts of China, maybe Tibet, and into eastern Tajikistan, but nothing that crazy. So be aware, but in Iran it shows kicking up next Friday, the 25th, with more stronger winds central to, to eastern Iran. Then it really shows kicking up later next Friday, more than 80 90 km per gust in Afghanistan and Iran, and it kicks more, even stronger. But this is just one model. Let's see shows in Pakistan too. But the GFS has some pockets of stronger winds in Iran on Friday, but nothing as crazy as the European. The Icon has in Pakistan, Afghanistan, a bunch of stronger winds too. So definitely be aware in those areas with the systems and everything. And yeah, just one more thing, the temperatures are still very cold in Turkey. Georgia's, why is this in Fahrenheit? So shows like some here, some -5 in parts of eastern Turkey, 3, -3 parts of Turkey, even Georgia, like in the Caucasus, -7 in Armenia, Azerbaijan, and northern Iran there. So be aware. This is Monday morning. Monday afternoon it warms up a little bit to 8 degrees. Some air still negative temperatures. Like Tuesday morning shows very cold again for parts of central western Turkey, colder and like -6, -5 there. And in the Caucasus shows some spots of -20 degrees Celsius, -16. So definitely stay warm there in the mountains. Shows in Iran, right? It's also -4, some -2. So be aware. And then in the afternoon warms up a little, but it gets colder at night again. Some -3, -1, -4. So be aware. And it fluctuates a little bit, but generally colder like that. And the next Friday, it shows colder in western Iran, there, a bigger area of negative temperatures. Still in Turkey, some. So yeah, be aware. In Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, it's always like this time of year very cold because of the mountains. It's very mountainous there. So -15, -9 in Tajikistan. Many towns there -4. Western China, southern Kyrgyzstan. It's warmer in southwestern Tajikistan, but then like shows it even shows like all the way to 31 degrees Celsius on Tuesday afternoon in southwestern Tajikistan, but in the mountains still very cold, and it shows like Tuesday night -6, Kyrgyzstan -4, and yeah, and then Wednesday morning, especially Wednesday night shows -8, very cold, but some spots still like 13 degrees, and Thursday morning still cold, and show some specific spots in the mountains like -18. So that to be aware. Kyrgyzstan along the mountains in China, so very cold too. Shows more cold into parts of western Tajikistan later, and Afghanistan, northeastern Afghanistan might be colder. And next Friday, northeastern Iran there. So be aware, some other areas, some 11 degrees in Turkmenistan, 7 degrees, and like it kind of fluctuates 7, 16, 6 degrees, depending on where you're at. So be aware.